Now in this video today, I'm going to be creating 3 different styles of centerpieces for the fall. So let's get started. All right, so this piece that you see right here was a thrifted lamp, and I turned this a while back into a candle holder or anything that you want to place on top of it. But today it is glam style, and today we are going to use it to make a centerpiece. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Fall Foliage and Centerpiece. This is being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Who's hosting with me? Well, we have Jean Home Decor and more. We have Design with Emma, Debbie Bubbles, At Home with Lisa, Lifestyle Design with Teresa, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Jennifer at Home, Donna Decor and more, and Sonia down south. Now, as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Now, those crystals that I'm hanging from that plate on top are from Hobby Lobby, and they're actually ornaments, crystal ornaments. They are beautiful. I got them on clearance, so that was really nice. And then I'm going to be using these florals in a different way, so I hope that you like this. I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music till we get to the next DIY. So I am loving how this is turning out, and just something really quick I want to say. I decided to go ahead and use this rose ball that I created to place on top of that. But you can go ahead and place a candle. You can pretty much place anything you want on top of there. I just decided to use the white rose ball. Now let's move on over to DIY number 2. All right, so I am flipping all of these home decor items, so I didn't have to go shopping for anything that you see me doing here. This is a small vase that I DIY'd a long time ago, and we're going to place some florals in there because sometimes a centerpiece does not have to be something huge. It can be something small and dainty. I absolutely love the roses and the matching baby's breath. So we're going to be moving on to the next DIY. right, so now this swag that you see here was a thrifted item. So all we're going to be doing is sprucing it up a little bit. And so I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music till I'm done with this. I absolutely love the vibrant colors of this swag. So now once we complete, adding all the stuff that we're going to add to this swag, you can go ahead and grab a candle holder, which is what I'm doing here, and place a center candle. You can do small, you can do more than one candle holder. It's whatever you choose to do. Let's head on over to the reveal. So I think all three of these pieces, as different as they are, came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.